Good morning, all of you. Today I am going to discuss the complementary answer of A Letter to God. The story A Letter to God by G.L. Fuentes depicts the unwavering faith of farmer in God. It begins with a farmer named Lancho, expecting for a rain shower to nourish his field of a corn. He is confident the harvest is going to yield him huge profit just like it does every year. Lancho is a protagonist of the story. He had faith in God and he had been instructed that God's eyes see everything. That even that is deep in one's conscience. Therefore, he wrote a letter to God expressing his need for a hundred pesos so that he could sow his field again and live until the crop grew again. He was a hardworking farmer with minimum resources and worked like an ox in the field. He was a man of faith and hope. Even after losing their hopes, even after losing their only source of incomes, he did not lose his hope. Lancho's soul was filled with sadness because his field was totally destroyed by hailstone. Not a leaf remained on the tree. The flower were going to gone gone on the gone from the plants. The crop was totally destroyed. Lancho is a naive and unquestioning because his lack of judgment about an actual physical existence of God. He did not question receiving an actual reply from the Almighty. Also, he is ungrateful in in some manner because on saying 70 pesos, but instead but but instead he but instead complained about the missing 30 pesos. The conclusion of the story. The story is nicely how Lancho truly believed in God, and at the same time the post office workers anonymously helped him by giving money from their own pocket to support a poor farmer in trouble. ओवरऑल इस पूरे चैप्टर में राइटर ने हमें यह बताया कि एक लैंचो नाम का फार्मर मतलब किसान है, वो ईश्वर पे इतना इतना विश्वास रखता है कि एक बार ऐसा हुआ कि उसका जो फसल है वो काफी अच्छा हुआ था, लेकिन उसे वर्षा की जरूरत थी, लेकिन वर्षा न होकर बारी हो गई जिससे उसकी सारी फसल बर्बाद हो गई और उसकी मदद करने के लिए कोई आगे नहीं था। तो वह बहुत परेशान हो गया था। उसके पास केवल एक ही विश्वास था कि भगवान उसकी मदद करेगा और वो भगवान पे इतना विश्वास करता था कि उसने भगवान को पत्र लिख दिया। लेकिन उस पत्र का उत्तर मनुष्य ने किया, लेकिन उसको इतना विश्वास था, उसे लगा कि इस पत्र का उत्तर जो है भगवान ने दिया है और वह भगवान पे बहुत विश्वास करता था। ओवरऑल इस पूरे चैप्टर में द पावर ऑफ फेथ एंड लिमिटेशन ऑफ ह्यूमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग को बताया गया है। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग मी केयरफुली।